everybody, Mrs. Miles. Welcome to Monday's Phonics. Now, with you today, you're going to need something to write on and something to write with. So if you haven't got those things, pause the video now and you can go and get them. Okay? So something to write with and something to write with and something to write on. Okay, and are we ready? Now, today is a really exciting sound. It's called a special friend. And a special friend is when two letters make one sound. So the two letters sit next to each other and they make one sound. Are we ready? Shh. Shh. Shh, shh, shh. 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 Shh, shh, shh. Fantastic. I've got some pictures that have the sound shh in them. In fact, they all start with the sound sh. Shop. Shop. Sheep. Ma. Sheep. Shoe. Shoe. Shell. Shell. They all start with the sound sh. Shell, shop, sheep, and shoe. They all have the sh sound at the beginning. Let's have a look at the picture for the sound. You can see the two letters there, s and a h. And the snake is hissing really loudly, so much so that the horse says shh. Shh, says the horse to the hissing snake. That's quite long, that one. Shh, says the horse to the hissing snake. And we can shorten that by just saying shh, says the horse. Shh, says the horse. Now, if I take my picture away and I draw my sound with a special friend, it's really important that we join them together when we're writing them. And it's quite tricky to do that, so I'm going to show you how to do it. You do yours as normal. Keep your pencil on. Nice tall neck for the horse there. And over his back to his hooves. Can you see? Can you see where it's joined there? Let me show you again. Shh. Can you see? That's what it looks like when we write it, and that's what it looks like when we read it as well. Shh. Let's have a look at our card again. Here's the picture side. We remember when we see this picture, we say shh, says the horse. And when we see this side, it's not joined on here. Sometimes it isn't joined, but when we write, we need to join them together. Okay? Shh. Shh, says the horse. Shh. Are you ready? Oh, there's a fly. Mrs. Miles has dropped it. Let me get it back. Let's try again. Shh. Well done, everybody. Okay, that's the shh sound. Right, let's pop that sound in with the sounds that we already know. Okay, when you see it, I want you to give it a thumbs up. Are you ready? Off you go. Shh. Brilliant. Let's hide it again. Another one. can hear you saying those sounds really well. Keep look. Shh. Fabulous. One more time. Hide it one more time. Are we ready? Remember, you're looking for that special friend. Where is it? There it is. Shh. Brilliant. Well done, everybody. Right, go and get your pen and your paper or whatever you've got to write with. And let's have a go at writing that sound, okay? Watch me writing it first of all. I'm holding my pencil with the crocodile snaps, nice towards the bottom, and you rest it on your middle finger. Mrs. Miles has got an itchy nose this morning. Are we ready? So you need to try, if you can, to remember to join the sound. Shh. If you can't do that just yet, keep practicing, don't worry. Shh. Remember, the s must come at the beginning. It must come first. Sometimes we get a little bit muddled. Shh. And we put the h first. But it's not the h first, it's the sh. The s first and then the h. The s and then the h. Shh. Brilliant. If you need longer, pause the video. Okay. Let's have a go at writing the z. Z. That we did the other day. Zig, zag, zig. Zig, zag, zig. Zig, zag, zig. Zzz. Zzz. Fabulous. Well done. Brilliant. Let's go back to the sh sound. Are we ready? Shh. Let's try again with the sh. Remember your h needs to be a lot bigger than the s. Super. Let's have a go at writing a word, because we're going to have a go at writing a sentence at the end. Shop. 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 Let's have a think. Shop. Sh. O. P. There's 3 sounds there. Sh, o, p. Sh, o, p. Sh, o, p. Oh, said the sounds. Let's see if I can write it down. Watch me. Shh. Underline it because it's called a special friend. Sh, o. Sh, o, p. Shop. Sh, o, p. Shop. You have a go at that one. Sh, o, p. Shop. 3 sounds. Underline the special friend sh, o, p. Have you done it? If you need longer, pause the video. If not, there it is. Give yourself a tick for the sh, for the o, and for the p. Correct it if you need to. Okay? Fabulous. Well done. Okay, put your paper and your pencil to one side. Fred talk. Fred talks in sounds. You put them into words. Are you ready? A nice and easy one for you. Shop. 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 Brilliant. Let's try another one. Ship. Ship, 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 ship. Brilliant. Let's try another one. Shell, 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 shell. Fabulous. Oh, this is an interesting one. Fish, 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 fish. Brilliant. Fish swimming in the sea. Fabulous. Well done, everybody. All right, let's have a look at our green cards. I'm going to start off with the sh that we've learnt today. So words with the sh sound in them. Fred talk, read the word. I'll start. Fred talk. Sh, op, sh, op, shop, shop. Fred talk. Make sure I've got all my dots and dashes. Mrs. Miles hasn't turned them all round. We try that one again. Fred talk. Sh, ip, ship, ship. All right, let's mix those in there and have a go at doing those yourself. Fred talk. Read the word. Shop. Fred talk. Read the word. Ship. Fred talk. Make sure you're saying it at the end. Fish. Read the word. Fish. Fred talk. Read the word. Wish. I wish I could see you all again. Wish. Fred talk. Careful with this. Flop. Flop. Fred talk. Read the word. Fox. Fred talk. Read the word. Zip. This time, let's try it with Fred in our head. So we're not saying shop. We're saying shh. We might want to whisper. And then we're going to say the word. I'll show you what I mean. Fred in my head. Fox. Do you think you can do that? Your turn. I'm going to mix them up a little bit. Let's mix them up a little bit. Are we ready? Fred in your head. Zip. In your head. Ship. In your head. Wish. Oops, dropping them. In your head. Fox. In your head. Flop, flop. In your head. Fish. In your head. Shop. And then we're back to the beginning. Well done, everybody. I did that a little bit differently there, and I put in some of our sound of the day in those speedy ones, which I don't normally do. I was just challenging you to see if you could read them. So it'd be really good to let your teachers know how you found that. If you struggle, that's okay. We can go back to what we were doing before. Well done, great try. Okay, get your pencils and your paper, and we're going to have a go at writing a sentence. And the sentence I want us to write is a big ship. 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 3 words in that sentence. What's that first word? A. Nice and easy one. It's just the sound a, but it's also the word a. And we start when we're writing at this side of the page. And all I want you to do is just to do ah. Ah, don't write yet, just watch me first. Ah. What's our next word? Ah, big. Let's count the sounds for big. Big. B, I, G. How many sounds in big? 3 sounds. B, I, G. Let's pinch the sounds. B, I, G. B, I, G. B, I, G. I'm going to keep saying those sounds till I've written it. Now, I need to leave a space because it's a new word. So I leave a finger space. Big. B, I, G. B, I. B, I, B, I, G. B, I, G. Big. A, big. A, big. What's the next word? A, big. Ship. Well done, ship. How many sounds in ship? Ship. 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 3 sounds. Let's pinch the sounds. Ship. 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 Let's write them. Ship. Ship. Again, it's a new word, so I need to leave a finger space. And I'm going to write ship. Shh. And I underline my special friend, remember? Shh. Shh. I. Ship. Ship. A big ship. A big ship. That's my sentence. This is the first time I'm having a go at writing a sentence. A big ship. Have a go at writing a for me. A. See if you can write that down. Have you done it? If you haven't, pause the video. If not, let's try big. Big. What are the sounds in big? B, I, G. B, I, G. Write it. Remember to leave a space. Big. B, I, G. B, I, G. Big. Write it down. Have you done it? If you need longer, pause the video. And the next one is ship. Sh, I, P. Sh, I, P. Sh, I, P. Write it. Leave a space. Write the word ship. Keep saying the sounds. Sh, I, P. Sh, I, P. Sh, I, P. Shh. There it is. There it is. Sh, I, P. Sh, I, P. Keep looking if you need help with that. If you need longer, pause the video. Have you done it? Let's read it together. Reading finger. A big ship. A big ship. Give yourself a tick for a if you've got an a. You've got a finger space, I hope so. Big. Have a look at my big. Does your big look like that? And then ship. A big ship. If you need to correct it, pause the video and have a look. Wow, well done. There were some really tricky bits in today's lesson and you've tried really hard. If you can, take a picture of your sentence and pop it on Dojo for your class teachers to see. All right, have a lovely day and I'll see you on Wednesday. Bye-bye.